Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make sweet tea. Achieving that perfect balance of sweetness and tea flavor is easier than you think. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, then move on to brewing the tea to just the right strength. Next, we'll sweeten it while it's hot, ensuring all the sugar dissolves beautifully. Finally, we'll discuss chilling it to perfection for that refreshing taste. To begin, select a good quality black tea, whether it's in bags or loose leaf. Heat your water to a rolling boil, which is approximately 212 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal extraction. Steep the tea for about 5 to 7 minutes. This duration helps achieve a robust flavor without bitterness. Once steeped, carefully remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaf tea. Now for the sweetness. While the tea is still hot, add granulated sugar. It's crucial to stir continuously until all the sugar completely dissolves, preventing any grittiness. You can adjust the amount of sugar to match your personal preference, but a common starting point is 1 cup of sugar for every 1 gallon of brewed tea. After sweetening, let the tea cool down to room temperature naturally. For the best flavor and chill, refrigerate it for at least 2 to 4 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. When ready to serve, pour it over plenty of ice. For an extra touch, you can garnish your sweet tea with fresh lemon slices.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.